Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Safash London Foodies YouTube channel. To make a pizza dough, you will need 4 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, half a cup of oil, water as required. You could add lukewarm water. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stop. Once you got the mixture ready, you can transfer it to a mixing bowl and you can start your mixture. The next step is to make pizza sauce. We've got 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. You will need to add a teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Algerian sauce, pepper as required, salt as required, cayenne chili powder as required. Then you can add 1 teaspoon of herbs, Italian herbs. We can mix all them up. For the pizza ingredient, you will need 2 green chillies, 1 red chili, 1 cup of olives and jalapeños, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of sliced sausages, 1 cup of green and red bell peppers, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, half kg of boneless chicken, and the pizza dough is ready for you. Also, you will need 300 grams of cheese. Now I'm going to be shallow frying the boneless chicken. So the next step is to place the dough into the tray. Brush the dough with olive oil. Now we can pour the pizza sauce into the dough. The next step is to sprinkle the onion. Then you can add your bell peppers. Then you can add on the red and green chilies. Add your sliced sausages. Then we got some olives and jalapeños. Then we got some shredded chicken. Now we can add cheddar cheese. Make sure you fill all the cheese in every corners. If you like this sizzling, spicy hot pizza, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.